Hi Mohit, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I am good. So आपकी वो सीरीज रिलीज हो चुकी है। कैसे रिव्यूज आए, कैसी अप्रिसिएशन आए आपके ये रोल को?
It's been doing really good, yeah. Actually, it's a comic genre, and plus we have a different variety of cast in this. Like the first series I did was full of youngsters, but it's kind of different age groups, and especially we have Bhavin, Samiksha, and everyone. People are fond of them, like due to TikTok and everything. From different fields, we have like reality show. I've been from reality show. Those guys have been from music videos and TikTok videos. So we have a different kind of audience genres, so it's doing really good, yeah. And apart from this, we have Vidya ma'am on our team. Like she has been a really sensation on Chuck the India. So people love her. Even we loved her having us with us on the show. So it was really great, yeah. We're getting a lot of appreciations.
So ये टिकटॉक वाली जो कास्ट है, जिनको इतना ऑलरेडी फेम मिल चुका है थ्रू टिकटॉक, एंड यू द अदर पीपल, यू देयर? या
Yeah, sorry.
इट्स ओके। सो ये जो टिकटॉक वाली फेम है, जिनको टिकटॉक के थ्रू इतना फेम मिल चुका है, इंस्टाग्राम पे इतना फेम मिल चुका है, उनके साथ काम करके आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
See, it was really good. The first thing was I got to learn a lot of new stuff. Like मैंने कभी लाइफ में ना ऐसे टिकटॉक्स और रील्स वगैरह इतने एक्सप्लोर नहीं करे थे. So the first thing was we had a lot of fun on sets. Like there were new trends, new songs. We were making videos. We were having a lot of fun. And to be very honest, there were a lot of controversies too regarding the TikTok and everything. I don't think like these things matter a lot, to be very honest. But as humans, they were really good. And when we used to be on set, there were different kind of audiences they were grabbing, like the people who used to watch them on TikToks and everything, and there were even the audience who used to like watch the reality shows. So we all got mixed up a lot quite well. And apart from all this, I met Bhavin. I've known Bhavin before, from before also, and he has been a really good friend. So I know like the mindset and everything. It took us no time to get bonded, like to be very honest. And we were like कि यार हमें साथ में characters play करने हैं. And Bhavin and me though already had a tiff in the show. So our character was completely opposite each other. So we were like real like besties in the real life, and that tiff zone came in when the camera rolled. So we were like switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. But it was super fun, yeah. There was no differentiation. There was nothing like that कि किसके followers ज़्यादा हैं, किसके followers कम हैं. We all were like equals on the set. So it was really great fun, yeah.
सो ऐसा कोई मोमेंट हुआ था सेट पे जो इट्स लाइक द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट आप सबके बीच में, कि आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा?
Yeah, actually the thing was in the hotel we were staying. So what we used to do, हम लोगों का जब भी पैकअप होता था, so we had this one room which was known as room number 212. 212. That was the biggest room in the entire hotel. So we all used to gather in that room. Every night we used to gather over there and we used to chill and party. वहाँ पे हमारे प्रोडक्शन के पीपल भी होते थे, हम सारे एक्टर्स होते थे. So what we used to do, we used to party till late night, and every night our director used to come in and around 1 or 2 and used to like be, guys, come on, what are you doing? Every night it used to be the same thing, like scolding. But it used to be in a fun way. But those were the times. And apart from that, we used to visit Golden Temple very oftenly. Like after shoot, we used to visit a lot of different places, and especially Amritsar ke chole bhature, Amritsari kulche, and all that stuff. We were like really fond of all those things. So that was an amazing exploration. Apart from shoot, हमने बहुत मस्ती करी है honestly. हम लोग कभी भी भाग जाते थे, कभी भी किसी को भी कहीं भी निकल जाते थे. सो प्रोडक्शन क्रू पीछे पीछे. बट बहुत अमेजिंग था, स्पेशली दैट 212 रूम. आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट दैट. वी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज गैदर इन दैट वन रूम स्पेशली.
इतना इतना एक्साइट होके आप इतना सब कुछ बोल रहे हो, आई एम लिटरली गेटिंग जेलस ऑफ योर लाइफ राइट नाउ। मतलब असली मजे तो इनके ही हो रखे थे, हम तो पेंडेमिक में घर में बैठे पड़े।
बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. सी, हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली इसको बहुत फन वे में निकाला जरूर, बट इट वाज अ रियल टास्क, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. हम लोगों को ये सीरीज कंप्लीट करने के लिए वी वर जस्ट गिवन 16-17 days, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, कि हम लोगों को ये पूरी सीरीज कंप्लीट करनी है. सो व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू शूट ना, वी यूज्ड टू शूट लाइक एनीथिंग. लाइक सुबह हम लोग 5-5 बजे उठते थे, एंड इट वाज सो कोल्ड, ट्रस्ट मी. There was one more thing which I'll never forget. There was a scene of me and Anushka. Anushka was another actress in the show, my co-star. So we had this one scene of a kabaddi play out, and that was in the morning 6 a.m. जिसके अंदर हमें बस normal jerseys पहननी थी, and it was 2 degree. 2 degrees, and it was so cold. I was like shivering like hell. And our director so used to be like, he used to bring us the kumbals as soon as there was a cut. So those cold times and everything, yeah, it was decent hard work that we all had to put in, but we put it in a very fun way, ताकि हमें realize भी ना हो कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So the fun and the hard work came on side by side.
So आपका आपका experience in the series as Appu वो कैसा रहा?
It was great. See, the first thing was Appu is a guy who's a Delhi-based guy who had that lingo of a Delhi guy. So I hadn't had got like a lot of work to do. To be very honest, I'm naturally like that. मैं Delhi से ही हूँ. So Sir was like, he's the perfect cast because whenever I used to come in, he used to be like, बस ये करना है, ये करना है, and he knew that I would actually get that quite easily because I'm already from Delhi. I know how Delhi people walk, how Delhi people talk, how's the body language and everything. I think this was one of the best characters I've ever played. Like the best ones. I loved it personally. I played a lot of characters before, but this one I loved it personally because that was completely me. And the one like most major thing was this character had a graph, the perfect graph. He was a positive guy, but he got negative in the end. So that graph, that from positive to negative shade, that was like a challenging thing which every actor would want to play, honestly, to explore himself, honestly. But it was a wonderful experience, playing Appu. Wonderful. Like,
So, ये जो सीरीज है जो मतलब कुछ लोगों ने देखी, मतलब काफी लोगों ने देखी होगी, पर कुछ लोगों ने नहीं देखी होगी, उनके लिए आप थोड़ा ब्रीफ में प्लॉट बता सकते हो कि एग्जैक्टली स्टोरी किस बारे में है?
Yeah, see, basically this story, एक तो सबसे पहली चीज तो इसका नाम ही है जो Who's Your Daddy. So basically it's about a guy finding who's his dad. But more than that, that guy is confused कि यार इसको इसकी ज्यादा नहीं पड़ी कि यार इसका डैडी कौन होगा, इसको इसकी ज्यादा पड़ी है कि इसका डैडी वो ना निकले जो उस लड़की का डैडी है जिससे प्यार करता है, कल को ये भाई बहन ना निकले. So there's a lot of fun element in the story, but at the same time यहाँ पे एक love angles भी चल रहे हैं. मतलब एक simple, एक straightforward. It's not just about finding a daddy. It's about a love angle also because there's another love angle going on that two guys are falling for the same girl. And there's another thing going on apart from the youngster story. There's also a story going on between the elders too. So the like Vidya ma'am, Mamik sir, and तो इस story का सबसे best part यही है. It's for every age group. And there's no such vulgarity, there's no such scenes like that कि जैसा लोग सोचते हैं कि alt है या web series है या ऐसा कुछ है तो ऐसा कुछ होगा. No, there's nothing like that. It's a completely family web. You can watch it with your family. It's a total fun show यार. Fun है, comic है, emotion भी है, बहुत ज़्यादा emotional भी हो जाती है बीच में कभी कभार, and there's a lot of seriousness also. But overall, it's a mixture, to be very honest, between young ones and the elder ones. So it's basically about the love, finding his dad, and the fun elements like humor bhar ke. So you
ये
guys
लोग
should watch it.
we have seen Vidya ma'am in elderly role. I mean यहाँ पे आपने बोला कि वो elder वाले रोल में है, फिर वो mismatched वाली जो सीरीज थी उसमें भी वो elder का रोल प्ले करती है. She doesn't even look that elderly or old. So set पर वो कैसी थी? Like was she like equally घुल मिल जा रही थी आप लोगों के साथ, or there was like a little like...
Equally, let me tell you one thing. She was so enthusiastic. She was so enthusiastic. She used to be like, the first day, this was my first day on the shoot, and I had a call time of around 3-4, and she was like, चलो चलो यार हम अमृतसरी कुलचे खाने चलेंगे, वहां से मैं आपको डायरेक्ट ड्रॉप कर दूंगी ये वो. She was so chilled out. I can't tell you. She was full of energy. She was the one who used to wake up earliest, मतलब एकदम जल्दी जल्दी उठ के योगा करना and everything. She's not at all. I'm telling you, she might be 16 or 15. Trust me. She was so enthusiastic and she was so humble. Yeah, when I first saw her, I was like, I remember Chak De. I was like, Chak De, Chak De, Chak De, Chak De. Yeah, and we were making reels even. I made a reel with her. Vidya meri taraf dekho, Vidya meri taraf dekho, and she was super fun. Yeah, she was super fun on set. Trust me. Like, and even after the show, when we guys were like having the screening together, she was like the most enthusiastic person on over there. Also, she was super excited. So I don't think that she's old, but yeah, she was playing the mom. She was playing Sukoon's mom. So, but she played it wonderfully, yeah, because she has obviously worked with Shah Rukh sir, and she's an experienced actress. So we also got to learn a lot from her, and it was wonderful, yeah, having her on the project and working with her. Wonderful experience.
How did you get Appu's character in the series?
So what happened? I was working on another show before the lockdown. I was working on the show for Mahesh Pandey, and he was coming up with a show which was like supposedly like a Bagban kind of a story, like four brothers and everything. But then this lockdown thing happened, and the show got waved off because the channel wasn't in the favor of having this show जिसके अंदर बहुत बड़ी cast हो, due to obviously like protective norms and everything.
True.
So then I was auditioned for one character for this web series only, but apparently the storyline changed. So they called me up again and they were like, the storyline has changed, so we have to audition you for the another character which we are introducing, because जिसके लिए मैंने audition दिया था वो storyline ही change हो गई फिर. So I auditioned for it. I was called to this Mumbai. I was in Delhi at my hometown, so I was called to Mumbai and I had this look test and everything. Then we were told that we had to shoot in Amritsar. So it was a long process, but yeah, it went through and it was a smooth one though. It was a smooth one because Delhi guy tha, and it was easy for me to crack it. And as soon as they called me up, they were like कि हो जाएगा. And मतलब they gave me this कि यार अच्छा लगा उन्हें, like audition and everything. So when they called me up, they had this look test and everything. So they liked it. So that's how I got it, the first thing.
So when you got signed for this Alt Balaji, मतलब बहुत ही बड़ा platform है ये, and you know Ekta Kapoor is also involved in this. आपको जब पता चला that you got this, what was the feeling you got at that moment?
See, to be very honest, I've collaborated with Alt before in Ragini MMS. I was in Ragini MMS too. So when I was again working with this Alt thing, so I was like super excited again because I've already worked with Alt and experienced that wonderful experiences because youngsters and everything. It was this thing. Yes, I'm carrying forward with the production house that I've already worked with. So it was a very comfortable kind of a zone. Ki yes, I would know production people somehow. I would know few people from the past team as well. Even our makeup artists, our few production guys were the same, which used to be in the Ragini. So it was a really comfortable zone. It was a fun zone. I knew them. We had a lot of fun on the sets, yeah. And Balaji has always been like a home to me because I got my first break through Balaji, which was in the Kasam show on Colors. So that was my first break. So it has been Balaji has been like a home, to be very honest. I've been working with Balaji for a long, long time now. So it's been a really comfortable and a fun zone for me.
So how difficult was it to shoot in the pandemic? As in, it's still not over. Precautions लेने पड़े. So was it that difficult?
It was, to be very honest. See, when you're on a set, there are around hundreds and 500s of people. There are production guys, there are lightmen, there are crew, and especially when you're shooting outdoors, so there are a lot of people from the outdoor side also. And what used to happen here when we used to shoot now, there was a lot of crowd gathered, matlab bahar, set ke bahar, there were kids, there were small kids. So we were like really scared at one point of time कि यार मतलब there's a lot of crowd, अगर गलती से किसी एक को भी कुछ होता है, there are a lot of kids, there are a lot of people on the set. So we used to take a lot of precautions, to be very honest. Only actors were allowed to remove their mask when they were in the front of camera. Apart from that, specially and strictly, a lot of norms were taken, like particularly hand sanitizers and everything. And whenever we used to eat or something like that, we used to sit separately and wash our hands properly. And those norms were taken care of completely because it was risky. See, to be very honest, it is risky because Corona, as we all know, that is a blunder or 2020 and everything. But yeah, it took off well. So we were really happy and glad.
So any further projects you can tell us about right now?
Yeah, there's another one coming up, which I can't actually reveal right now, but it's from someone who has been a big part of Ragini. Big part of Ragini. He was the man behind.
Okay.
He was the man behind who made that project possible. To be very honest, not from front of the camera, but from the behind of the camera. But it's gonna be amazing. To be very honest, we have started shooting for that already, just on the new year itself. So I'm just working towards it. Only I need to get some body transformations for that, to be very honest. But it's gonna be coming out super soon and it's gonna be a fun one. Epic one. Like I loved it.
Your characters, I feel it would be always a fun one. As we see you, it's like personally भी आप मतलब you're just smiling throughout the interview, you're enjoying talking. मन हो रहा है आपका, मन हो रहा है और भी बोलो, आपको बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है, ऐसे स्माइल ही हो है आपके फेस पे, which is very nice. आपका character, you could be a really friendly person. You would be, I don't know, sorry, you would be a friendly person. Be easy to be a friend with you. So no doubt आपको आपके cast के साथ ज्यादा मजा आया, because पूरा young cast था. You would have enjoyed really. And we are excited to see you again in another series or film, whatever it's coming.
Super duper soon, yeah. That's gonna be a series, and it's also gonna be a little fun, मतलब थोड़ा सा seriousness and everything, but it's gonna come out super soon, yeah.
So all the best for your upcoming series, and we really hope to see you again over there.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. It
Take
was
care.
wonderful talking to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Take care.
Take care.